In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Amazon Fire Stick that keeps restarting or rebooting. So I have laid the Fire Stick components all out here for you to see, and as you can see, there are two cables that come out of the Fire Stick. The one that we want to focus on is this one right here. If your Fire Stick is not getting enough power, it tends to restart or reboot. And there are two different ways that people get power to their Fire Sticks. Some people remove the power adapter from the cable and they are just plugging the USB portion into the back of their TV. If you're doing that, the TV may not be getting enough power to your streaming device. So what you want to do is find the power adapter that came with your Fire Stick and then plug it into the power adapter cord and then plug that into the wall outlet. So that way it's getting all its juice from the wall instead of the TV. Now if you are having a problem still after you have plugged it into the wall, then you might want to replace the cables. And I will put links in the description down below of where you can buy these replacements. Now if you would like to try some different type of adapters that you might maybe have laying around the house, like maybe an iPhone adapter or some other smartphone adapter, you can try that and see if that fixes your problem. But hopefully this was helpful and it fixed your issues. If it did, hit the thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.